Today, I'll introduce you to 5 moving average ribbons available on TradingView. While they all share the same purpose, each stands out with its own unique features, with the 5th being a complete trading system on its own. Let's dive in. Our first indicator is a powerful moving average ribbon system. It uses 3 customizable moving averages: fast, medium, and slow, with 13 types to choose from, including SMA, EMA, Hull, and Laguerre. It's called MA Ribbon R2 by Just Uncle L. The ribbon, drawn between the fast and slow averages, turns green during uptrends and red during downtrends, helping identify trend strength and trading opportunities. Candlesticks can be colored using a simple 3-tone system or a detailed 6-tone grab scheme to highlight price action around the ribbon. It also offers swing alerts, MA crossover alerts, and optional trend filters to reduce false signals. The anchor timeframe feature ensures consistent, multi-timeframe analysis without repainting. The next indicator is a moving average ribbon system that supports up to 12 moving average lines, with 25 customizable types, lengths, and colors. Some of these variations are so unique, even I hadn't heard of them. Called RK's 15 time-framed multiple MA types. Ribbon by Rodrigo Kazuma, it visualizes moving averages as lines and ribbons, with colors changing based on price position relative to a user-defined source. Bullish colors appear when price is above the averages, and bearish colors when below, all fully customizable. Notable features include the use of Fibonacci numbers for moving average lengths, an option for symmetrically weighted moving averages, SWMA, to reduce noise, and alert functionality for price crossing all moving average lines. You can also hide ribbons or individual lines for a cleaner view, and choose your preferred time frame. Our third indicator uses overlapping clouds of exponential moving averages to provide a clear view of price trends. It allows traders to visualize up to 5 EMA clouds, each formed by the gap between a shorter and longer period EMA. It's called Ripster EMA Clouds by Ripster47. The indicator is highly customizable, and you can switch between EMA and SMA, adjust the lengths of each pair, and decide which clouds to display. By default, it uses 5 EMA pairs: 8-9, 5-12, 34-50, 72-89, and 180-200. The clouds are color-coded for clarity: green and blue for bullish conditions, shorter EMA above the longer EMA, and red and yellow for bearish conditions, shorter EMA below. Users can also display the EMA lines themselves, which change color based on their trend direction, adding an extra layer of insight. The fourth indicator visualizes a ribbon of 9 exponential moving averages on the price chart. The default periods range from 8 to 60, but they can be fully customized. The first 8 EMAs are shaded in blue, with their colors shifting based on slope. The final 60-period EMA stands out with a thicker line, turning lime green when trending up and red when trending down. Named EMA Ribbon for BO by John Mann 1, the ribbon pattern helps highlight trends and potential support or resistance levels, with the color changes offering quick visual cues about the direction of each moving average. Finally, the last indicator on today's list is more than just a ribbon. It's a full-featured trading system called Pullback Trading Tool ALT R1.0 by Just Uncle L. Designed for trending markets, it identifies and trades pullbacks with precision. At its core are multiple moving averages, 3 anchored to higher time frames, a signal moving average, and a moving average ribbon. Together, they define trend direction and highlight pullback opportunities. Customizable pivot point calculations help pinpoint key support and resistance levels, displayed as dots or extended lines across the chart. Price bars are color-coded relative to the signal moving average, using either a simple 3-color scheme or a detailed 6-color grab candle scheme. Alerts appear as arrows when price action signals a trend break or pullback, aligned with the overall trend, respecting pivot points. Best suited for higher time frames like 60-minute, 4-hour, or daily charts, this indicator shines in trending markets. I've put together a free trend-following indicator I'm sharing with you today. It's called Quantum Ribbon Light, a 5-layer ribbon system that identifies trend opportunities with automatic stop loss and take profit levels built in. Let me explain how it works. The core uses 10 exponential moving averages arranged in 5 pairs, creating gradient-colored clouds spanning from 21 to 60 periods. When all layers align, that confirms trend strength and direction. Blue-teal ribbons mean bullish alignment, the market's trending up. Red-pink ribbons mean bearish alignment, trending down. When the colors are mixed, the market's in a neutral or transitional state. This visual clarity makes trend assessment immediate without analyzing multiple indicators. The reason for multiple layers instead of just crossing 1 or 2 moving averages is noise reduction. All 5 pairs need to agree before a signal appears, creating a higher bar for entry that filters out whipsaw conditions where single moving averages tend to fail. Beyond ribbon alignment, the system requires multiple confirmations. Strong directional momentum must exceed half an ATR. This ensures price is actually moving, not just drifting. Volume needs to be above average to confirm participation in the move. A hidden confidence threshold automatically screens out weak setups that meet technical criteria but lack conviction. This multi-layered approach reduces false signals in choppy or ranging markets. You'll still get some whipsaws when conditions shift, but they're minimized compared to simpler systems. Every signal includes complete risk management. Stop losses use ATR and adapt to current market volatility. When things are calm, stops are tighter. When volatility picks up, they widen to give trades room to breathe without getting stopped out by normal price movement. Take profit targets calculate as multiples of risk. Using the default 2-to-1 setting with a 50-point stop puts the target at 100 points. This maintains consistent risk-reward ratios across every trade regardless of market or volatility conditions. The math is simple. With 2-to-1 targets, only 34% winners are needed to break even, and testing showed around 50% on some instruments on daily timeframes. 3 dotted lines display when there's an active position: white for entry, red for stop, green for target. These extend forward from the entry bar, making position management straightforward without needing to calculate levels. The indicator blocks new signals while a position is open. This hold to completion mode prevents common mistakes like getting distracted by new setups and abandoning good trades before they have a chance to work, or overtrading by stacking multiple positions simultaneously. Enter, manage that one position, and wait until it closes. Either the stop gets hit or the target gets hit, then evaluate the next signal. Adjustable settings keep configuration simple without sacrificing control. Signal sensitivity runs from 1 to 10, controlling signal frequency through a cooldown period. Lower numbers, 1 to 3, mean more signals with shorter waiting periods between entries, suitable for active traders who want frequent opportunities. Higher numbers, 8 to 10, apply longer cooldowns, filtering harder for higher quality setups and reducing trade frequency. Start at 5 for balanced performance and adjust based on preferred trading pace. Stop-loss distance offers 3 options: tight, normal, or wide. These multiply ATR differently to accommodate various trading styles. Tight uses 1.5 times ATR for smaller risk. Normal uses 2 times ATR as the balanced default. Wide uses 2.5 times ATR for multi-day swing positions that need more breathing room. Take Profit Target provides 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2, or 1 to 3 risk-reward ratios. The 1 to 2 default offers the best balance, profitable at 34% plus win rates while remaining achievable in most trending conditions. 2 toggles control the stats table, and risk lines display for those who prefer cleaner charts or manage positions externally. The performance tracker in the top right updates in real time, displaying win-loss records and success rates with color-coded visualization. The statistics update as each trade closes at stop or target, providing ongoing performance data that guides adjustments to sensitivity or risk settings. Ribbon spacing provides visual feedback about trend strength and reliability. Expanding ribbons with clear separation between layers signal strengthening trends, ideal conditions for new positions. Squeezing or contracting ribbons suggest losing momentum or consolidation approaching. Signals during compression periods carry higher risk of failure as trends weaken. Price chopping through the ribbon center indicates ranging conditions. While the indicator blocks signals when ribbon colors are mixed, it can still fire when the ribbon aligns, but price remains in a tight range. In those cases, waiting for a clear breakout improves reliability. Testing across daily timeframes on different markets, Bitcoin, futures, major stocks, showed win rates around 50% using 2-to-1 targets. That's solid for trend-following systems, producing positive expectancy with comfortable margin above break-even requirements. Lower timeframes generate more signals, but with reduced reliability, as expected. 4-hour charts might produce 40 to 45% win rates, while hourly or lower charts often drop below 40%. The indicator works across all markets including stocks, forex, crypto, and futures, though performance varies based on each instrument's trending characteristics. Assets that trend cleanly perform better than those that chop sideways frequently. Wait for clear breakouts from ranging conditions before taking signals. When price chops through the ribbon center, skip entries until it breaks out. This improves results, but requires judging when the market is ranging versus trending. Combine with your existing strategy, support resistance levels, chart patterns, or other technical methods. Only take those setups when the ribbon confirms the direction. The automated risk management handles stops and targets for you. Combine with the TP-RSI tool for additional filtering. Take long signals only when RSI shows bullish conditions and shorts when RSI is bearish. This double confirmation reduces false entries during weak trends. More about that in upcoming videos. Keep the indicator on daily charts to identify the primary trend, then take trades on 4-hour or hourly timeframes only in that direction. This filters shorter-term noise against the longer-term trend. The indicator excels when assets establish clear directional movement. Bitcoin during bull markets, commodity futures and supply-demand imbalances. Such conditions produce the strongest results. When price breaks from consolidation, the ribbon quickly aligns and generates signals. This provides systematic entry into new trends rather than relying on subjective breakout validation. In established trends, the ribbon maintains alignment while price pulls back to the upper or lower layers. Signals that fire as price bounces off the ribbon represent high-probability trend continuation entries. The automated risk calculations handle stop placement and position sizing based on current volatility, removing calculation burden and potential for manual errors. Traders only need to decide whether to take each signal based on their market view, available capital, or other discretionary factors. The simplicity makes this accessible for newer traders learning systematic approaches while maintaining the analytical depth that experienced traders expect from trend-following tools. Try it out and drop a comment about what markets you're testing it on and how it's performing. While you're here, check out another free indicator in this video.